Hi again. Okay, so in this practice, I wrote the issue as, did third party tortiously interfere with business dealing between my client, a sports agent, and his client, a sports player? I put the area of law as tort law or contract law. I think it could be in either one. And, upon further reflection, I think we could even add employment law. Because after all, it was a type of employment contract. We might also want to consider labor law, because sports agents, that's largely what they do, is they're basically negotiating a labor contract, and sometimes that involves collective bargaining, which is a really broad topic. So anyway, we won't need the keywords until we find something. The goal here is just to find a treatise. So on Lexis, I'm going to choose Michigan, and then I'll do Oregon in a minute. I'm from Oregon. I need to represent once in a while. So in Michigan, I click on state and then Michigan, and then I go down to secondary sources. And I'm going to click on all Michigan treatises and so forth. This gives us absolutely everything. And I'm showing you this mainly to point out that there's nothing here on just tort law. There is something called Littler on Michigan employment law. I'm not going to try to say that 10 times fast. So we could perhaps look in that, and that'd be worth looking in. I don't see much else. Some of these other things are encyclopedias, which we could go to if we don't find a treatise. Michigan Law and Practice is a very nice encyclopedia, and then Michigan Civil Jurisprudence is a nice encyclopedia as well. So there looks like Lexis doesn't have anything specific to tort law or contract law, but it does have something on employment law we'd want to look at. Now I want to quickly do the same thing for Oregon, just to show you every state is different, and what everybody has, what Westlaw, Lexis, Bloomberg Law, it's all different. You just kind of have to get comfortable with it. So I'm going to scroll down here. Here's everything they have for Oregon, as in here's all of the secondary stuff they have for Oregon. And it looks like this Littler guy, looks like he does one for every state. It's designed to help employers identify and apply various state employment law and so forth. So anyway, that's how you find treatises for different states. So if you didn't find anything, just write that. Just explain my state didn't have anything. If you did find something in the ballpark, then put that there. I think anything like labor law, employment law, contract law, torts law, any treatise on those topics would do fine here. All right, see you back in the book.